This is my new email spam classifier. This is the code of the app. Now I am running this app and show the output to you. Load sample data, train model, classify emails. So you see the output now. You see the output and now I will help. Now I explain with the help of blog. Email spam classification on the classic application of machine learning and natural language processing. Even simple model can effectively identify unwanted email by learning pattern or test data. In this project, we build a dashboard Python that classifies email message as spam or ham. Using lightweight navy-based algorithm, this application also provides a graphical interface so user can train the model and classify email interactive. Project overview. Train the model, enter email test, classify, view probability score or prediction, inspect local evidence using key technology use ThinkNet, RE, correction counter, math. Machine learning techniques named by test classification labs, smoothing low probability, calculation for numerical ability, understanding of spam direction. Spam detection is an anti-test probability test free price reward urgent discount. I'm planning meeting project using more. Tokenize email next. Named by model logic. We spam ham directly personal we spam ham multiple spam or plus spam. Train the model. Train testing pass emails within spam ham words can see our counted worker. With a bit the model store property parameter desktop interface feature. Training section model summary. Email classification prediction output. Prediction spam probability ham probability. This helps you understand confidence level of the prediction. Token evidence visualization. One unique feature of app is token evidence analyzer. Analyzes the interface display reward price and meeting. Sample email classification. Congratulations. The classifier text spam word like congratulations reward price limited time. Why use Navy bytes for spam detection? Work well for test data. Require later training data if computation efficiently perform surprising well for classified data. Advantage of this desktop application. Key benefit of project: lightweight machine learning implementation, no external API required, interactive GUI, expandable prediction, educated demonstration, test classification. It is ideal for machine learning beginners, Python learners, and NLP demonstration teacher progressing model. Possible improvement: large training dataset, enrolled spam data, SPM spam collection, advanced NLP features. Stopward removals, scamming, TF-IDF, deep learning model, logistic regression, LSTM model, transform-based classifier. Email integration, connect the system with Gmail API, Outlook filtering. Conclusion: the email mail classifier desktop app demonstrates how machine learning can integrate into real application using Python with simple navigation algorithm. Thinker UI user can train a spam detection model, classify new email and analyze prediction evidence. Projects like this are excellent for learning machine learning fundamental natural language processing, GUI development, expandable AI techniques. By expanding the dataset and improving processing, the prototype could evolve into powerful real-world spam detection tool. The GitHub, the GitHub, the code of the link of the code is in the download the GitHub code. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like to make such kind of projects, so contact me and thank you so much for watching.